Well friends, here the next problem. The given problem is 13, 18, 25, question mark, 49 and 66. Given options are 34, 36, 37 and 38. Friends, to solve this problem, first let me consider the given question, that is 13, 18, 25, question mark, 49 and 66. Now this problem is again contains two series, that is 13, 25, 25, 49, next 18 question mark and 66. Okay, friends, 13, 25. So 25 is nearly double of 13, that is 26. So 26 minus 1 is what? 25. Okay, next 49. 49 is again nothing but it's almost double of 25. That's 25 double is what? 50. So 50 minus 1 is what? 49. Okay, let us come to here. 18 question mark. Here I will consider the question mark would be nearer to double of 18. That is 18 double is what? 36. Okay, so difference is minus 1. Let me consider difference as minus 2. Let me consider. So if I consider minus 2, what I'll get? I'll get it as 34. Well friends, you may ask me, why did I consider minus 2 here? Though I have considered minus 1 over here. So this is what the right idea at the right time. You should get the right idea at the right time to solve such kind of problems. So it is what? 34. The next number would be what? Double of 34 minus 2. That is what? Double of 34 is what? It is 68. So minus 2 is what? 66. So according to this, we are getting the missing number as 34. Let me check the given options. The first option itself is 34. Therefore, I will consider the first option as the right option. Friends, we will see some more columns.